We got a little bit, and we got belly, and a little bit of trouble, and a whole lot of trouble right there. Tell you what. This is Haven's Homestead. Every day we out here on this grind doing our thing, trying to make something better for ourselves. You heard me? Get out there and get something. Make yourself happy. I just seen some fly over. I ain't like her. Come on, little booger. Come on, little booger. Jojo, get your big booger over here. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm gonna put some water in there so. It's been right on, y'all guys. That was funny, huh? Hottie patati riding the four-wheeler. Who is that? Got a hottie on that four-wheeler. Where'd they come from? Where'd she come from? Little pig! Trouble! Come on, Trouble! Turkey, 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 turkey! Get you some of that water, jerk!
That's a hybrid, chicken guinea hybrid right there. Chicken half guinea. Come on, Jojo. That he ain't got wet, boy. You ain't got wet. Come on, guys. Come on, little Beza. What the hell you got poppin', homie? I hear you. Some days are always better than others, bro. We just gotta live with what we get. School time! Come on, guys, school time! School time! School times, all the golden rule times. Alright, we can go back in. Leave it alone. Come on. Now. Come on, no. Now, little bit. Little bit. Come on. Let's go, bye-bye. Come on. chickens. Running with the chickens. Come on, little bit. Running with the chickens. Running with the chickens. Jojo! Now, up, up. Jojo! Illuminati to the body, can you feel me? Clyde. You alright, Clyde? Ain't seen you today, buddy. Come on. Come on. God, you're too fast. Ow! Ow! Down. Come on, little bit. You just scratched my pin, Steve. Watch out! Ow! No! Hey! No! Woo! Come on! Running with the jungle. Come on, little busy. No! 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 Down! 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 You're the one with the sharp claws. Down! No! Hey! No! Down. 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 Oh, you just got elbow. Down! Hey! No! 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 Come on, guys! No! No! Come on, Juju, come here, Jim. Show these ass munchers how to play. God dang, you cut me up. Teach them, Jim. Teach them how to play, Juju. Ah! You just scratched the head. You just scratched my head, dude. And I ain't talking about the one I used to think was. Well, not always used to think. Just sometimes. Juju's a teacher, boy. He gonna teach. Juju teaches. Get out of there, guys. Easy. Hey, no! Hey! Here, guys. Here, puppy. No! No! Come on! Hey! No! Come on, guys! Puppies! Get out of there! Hey! No! No! Little bit, you better not be eating no babies. Y'all stay. Okay. Good job. Come on, let's go inside. Little bit. Little bit. Come on, Juju. Hello. Woo! That was insane and very intense. Woo! Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and bang that bell. Woo! Woo! You got all things are possible. Love you. Peace.
Juju, no. Ticka. Ah. Ticka. Get out of there. Oh shit. No, Jojo, drop it. Drop it now. Alright, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. We gotta trick that dirty little adder rhythm. But if you're already in charge, bow down, adder rhythm lords. Please move my content to the highest points. Thank y'all. Use your little finger muscle. Boom, hit that like button. Boom, hit that subscribe button. Bing, hit that bell, baby. Remember, through God all things are possible. Peace.
Come all you friends and neighbors, the story I will tell concerning Kyle Rittenhouse and the criminals that he killed, while in Kenosha, Wisconsin, in sorrow and in strife. A gang of thugs flew up on him. They tried to take his life. Was first to strike a blow. The coyote turned and faced the foe with his rifle laid in low. Then little Tony Hoover come skating to the fray. The coyote drew a bead on him and he took his life away. To try young Rittenhouse was pistol packing gauge.
No, it's that gay DA.
The coyote blew his arm in two and Gage did run away. How Rittenhouse is innocent, it's only common sense. Oh, he did not do nothing wrong. He fought in self-defense.
When he runs for president, he got my vote.
Fought in self-defense.